what you're going to be using as usual: your scissors, your paper ribbon or your satin ribbon or your fabric, your floral tape. Then you'll be needing another color of ribbon. Depends on you. If you do want to add that effect, it is not important. Then we'll be needing your floral wire. This is about almost 12 inches. So it depends on how long you want your floral wire to be. Cutter. I use it to cut out my floral wire. So the floral wire comes in rows like this. So you just cut it out from there. Then you'll be needing your candle gum as usual and a candlestick. So you're going to cut out your paper ribbon into sizes like this, altogether 25 pieces. This is 2.5 inches long. The first thing you want to do is to get your petals ready. Fold a triangle, a right angle triangle, like this. So you make that. Then you fold from the tip here. You're going to fold it over to where that right angle triangle ends. Make sure it's touching each other. Then with your lighter, we're going to be needing your lighter too. So with your lighter, you just seal, not burn. Just seal that end. So you do the same thing for this other side too. You fold it over like so. Make sure this place is touching this edge too. Hope you can see that. Make sure the edges are balanced. Then you fold over from this tip here to this point. Alright, so here we are. So you're going to attach all the petals together. So you're going to just put your glue like that. And you pick another petal and place it like that. Just the tip. Watch where I'm gluing. Not like this, but like this. So you add your glue. You keep joining together. You can join like 20 together and see where that gets to. The first thing you do is to pick up a petal, add your glue to it, and roll it like this. Pull it together. So if you have a kind of bend on top here, just like what we have here, you can see. So this will form the center of the rose. Glue to one of the petals. That's already getting hard. And you roll it together like so. Like that. So having done that, you have something like this. Just roll it together so you have something like this. So this will form the center of the flower. Then you're going to add your glue to this part. Just put glue, plenty glue here, like so. Then you insert it to the base of this one. Press it together so that it stays. And remove the excess. So having done that, you're going to come to this piece that you joined together. Add your glue to the beginning. Just add the tip, the base part. You place this other one on it like so. Then you roll it. Just make sure that first part glues well. Yes. So now I'll start working with it. Then what you want to do next is to keep rolling this floral wire till you have every of these petals, something like this. This is what you want to do. Just keep rolling. So you want to roll till you have something like this. You can check it out. You add the glue to this part, that base part. You can see that. So you roll it like that. You don't have to make it tight. Just roll it as light as possible. Again. And make it loose, very, very loose, so that it does not just shrink up to one side. Then you leave a bit of this at the edge there so that you can join another one to it. Yes, you can see. So we'll join this next one to you. And at this point you want to add your glue this way to the end part so that you can glue. So you add it up here, so you have something like this. Just close it up so you can see what you have at the end of the day. So for the space that you may have inside like this one, just put your glue inside that place and press it at the base. Don't press it at the top because you don't want your flower to shrink together. So there are different ways you can get your leaf effect. Cut out your ribbon of 2.5 inches. Make the same petal you made for your flower, the same way you made it. Repeat it here for all the 4 pieces. Yes, so you're going to glue them together like so, but this time around you're not going to be rolling them so that to give you that leafy effect. You are going to be gluing it almost to the base, around the base of your flower like this, around this base part, instead of just gluing it to the side. So you're going to be doing it this way. Add your glue to it, then you place it like so on the base, but make sure it's still showing somehow on the top or at the top. You want to have it round like that. How beautiful it's looking. Now next, cover the base. That's totally optional though, since you're using it on a bouquet. So you cut out a felt like this, dip it in from this point at the center. Okay, so we are going to use our floral tape to wrap the wire so that it can give us that flowery effect. The first part, you can add your glue to that topmost top and place your floral wire on top of it like that. Make it very close to the base of the flower and keep rolling. Keep bringing. So in case you want to add your leaf to it, let's use this sample leaf as example. So you are going to add a tiny wire to the leaf you want to add, then you place it on the floral wire. You wrap the wire, the tiny wire of the leaf, around the floral wire. You keep rolling. So once you get there, you're going to bend your leaf to the back a bit so that the floral tape can cover the wire of the leaf. You get something like that. Then when you get to the base, you kind of turn it back up and roll it upwards again. Cut it out and add your glue so that it can hold this. So here we have, you can see a beautiful flower. Look at the handmade and look at the purchased one, and have a beautiful crafting time.